Hi, my name is Beckett, and I'm on the product team at Shipshape. I'd like to show you how to share your Shipshape account with friends, family, and service technicians. First, you'll open the app, and you will go to the hamburger menu in the top left. Then you'll access the home profile, and from there, you can see the Manage Home Members. Here you can see that this account is already shared with 2 other people, and I can add a member with the blue button at the bottom. Here I'll select what kind of role I want to add, let's say a family, and I'll send the email to a person. Next, this person will receive the email, and then they will be able to follow the instructions through the email to create an account, and that account will have access to this account's information. And that's how to share your account with friends and family through Shipshape. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.